This is Chris Connolly on behalf of the APA Practice Directorate, and you are watching a tutorial to guide you through creating groups on the APA Public Education Campaign Network. The PEC network is a private social network that allows APA member psychologists working on public education activities to connect with each other, sharing resources and ideas to help you strengthen your public education initiatives. When you register for the network, you will be able to send messages to other members, stay up to date on public education campaign news, join groups, participate in discussions, download materials, and in general, develop stronger connections with other APA members working on public education activities. Groups are one of the central features of the PEC network. This tutorial will teach you how to create groups to interact with other members, which can help you organize your state PEC committee virtually, or organize members working on similar projects. You may already belong to a group from your state. If not, that is a great place to get started with group interactions. We are currently viewing the PEC network homepage, the first page you view upon logging in to the PEC network. To get started with groups, click the Group tab on the top navigation bar. This brings up the Groups page, which lists all groups on the network. Before you create a group, check to see if another member of the network has created a similar group. Using this drop-down menu, you can sort the groups in a variety of different ways, and you can scroll through the groups using the navigation at the bottom of the page. If a comparable group to the one you'd like to create exists, become a member and join the discussion. After you have checked and know your group does not already exist, click on the Add a Group button, located next to your name on the right-hand side of the page. This brings up the group creation page. When you choose a name for your group, make sure you describe its purpose clearly and appropriately. For this demo, we'll create a group for new members where people can join to discuss how to use the network. I will type the name of the group here. The next box prompts me to upload an image that will be associated with my group. I've already saved an image to my computer that I'd like to use for this purpose. Clicking on the camera button allows me to upload this photo by clicking Choose File. You can use a .jpg, .gif, or .png file type. Once I've selected the photo, I click Done. The photo will not show up until you finish creating your group. In the description field, type a brief summary of what your group is all about. The group address sets your group's web address within the network. Pick one that reflects your group's name. If your group has another website, enter it here. If you don't, then you can skip this step. You can always add a website at another time. If your group is based in a specific town, city, or state, enter that information here. If not, skip this step. Group features define the functions group members will be able to use. Allow group members to make statements on the group homepage, while the discussion board allows members to create specific discussion topics to start bigger conversations on a topic. The text box gives the members an opportunity to upload photos and videos, use widgets or HTML coding, and enter text to describe these additional features. The RSS reader allows you to import RSS feeds from other websites directly to your group. Once you've decided on your features, you have to establish whether the group will be public or private. Public groups are open to any members of the network without an administrator's approval. In a public group, anyone can view the activity within the group. This would make sense for our new members group, or a group dedicated to child psychologists. Private groups require administrator approval to join and restrict visibility of group activity to members. This would make sense for a group with a specific membership, such as a state PEC committee. Finally, check this box if you'd like to allow members to send messages to the entire group. After double-checking your settings, click Add Group. This will send your group off for approval to the Practice Directorate PR staff, who should be able to process approvals within 24 hours. Once your group has been approved, you will receive an email notifying you of the approval. Head back to the PEC network and locate your group's new page. Now that you're here, you can invite members to join your group by clicking the button in the top right corner. Clicking this button allows you to invite members from your web address book that may not already be PEC Network members, by hand typing email accounts, by inviting friends already on the network, or by importing contacts from an address book application like Microsoft Outlook. It is important to note that people must be members of the network to join your group. Once you've decided who you'd like to invite, consider writing a message inviting them to join and explaining what the group does and why they might want to join. Click Send Invitations to begin adding members to your new group. Congratulations! You've now completed the group creation tutorial. If you run into any challenges while using the network, please contact the APA Practice Directorate PR office by emailing pracpr@apa.org or by calling 202-336-5898.